Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another brand new video in our channel Amzing Warrior. You might know how to stabilize a shaky video, but do you know how to make a shaky video from a stabilized video? Yes, you can do it with Filmora, and for learning this, stay tuned with Amzing Warrior and let's start the video. Okay, first I insert a video in my timeline and I fit this video in my timeline just by clicking on this icon and just play a few portion of this video. Okay, and now I will add shaky effect in this portion of this video. Okay, first go to filter and go to all, and here just find for blur effect. Like here is my one. Okay, this one, and just right click on this and click on add to favorite. Why I add this one in my favorite list? Because if you want to use any effect in multiple portion of your video, or you want to use it multiple times, then you should do this, like add the effect in your favorite option. So I add this one in my favorite option and just drag it to here, and now play this one. Hello, sorry for interrupt. For watching more of our videos, check the link I have written here. Okay, and now I will just right click on it, go to edit and keep this one 100% and this one zoom rate to 1. Okay, and just play this one. Okay, here is a shaky effect in my video, and if I want to make it more alive, then again add this blur effect in your timeline. Okay, I add this one here and again go to edit, right click on it, go to edit and keep this 100 and this one 1. Okay, and just play this one. Okay, and you also can edit this one to 50 or anywhere you want. Like if I keep both of these in 50 and this one to 50 or around 50, then it will be like this. Just play this one. And this is how you can give shaky effect in your video easily in the video editing software Wondershare Filmora. And actually this is not programmed in the video editing software Wondershare Filmora. I learned it from others tutorial and use it, and I show it in a better way to you guys. Actually, this is very brand new tricks in YouTube, and that's all about this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and hope you understand all this video. And if you don't understand any part of this video, then please leave a comment what you don't understand. Feel free to leave a comment whatever it is. It might be a positive or negative, or it might be a suggestion, or if you don't understand, obviously you would say us. So see you again in the next video. And make sure you have subscribed our channel Amzing Warrior.